Imagine this. One piece of leaked information sends shockwaves across the globe, triggering a massive surge in cryptocurrency prices. What just happened, and what does it mean for the future of money? Let's unpack the story step by step. Recently, a surprising leak revealed plans from the incoming Trump administration to create a national cryptocurrency reserve. Yep, you heard that right. The focus? Supporting blockchain projects based in the United States, like XRP and Solana. Why is this big news? A national reserve would position crypto as a legitimate financial asset, putting it on the same level as gold or traditional reserves. Here's where it gets wild. After the leak, Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies, surged past $100,000, a milestone that just weeks ago seemed out of reach. Meanwhile, XRP shot up by 40%, and Solana wasn't far behind. But why does news like this cause such a frenzy? It all comes down to one word: confidence. When markets sense government support, investors flock to buy, pushing prices higher. This story isn't just about price spikes, it's about the growing recognition of crypto as a part of our financial future. Governments around the world are paying attention, and this move hints at a major shift. Crypto isn't just for tech enthusiasts anymore. It's becoming mainstream. So, what can we learn from this moment? Crypto reacts to news. External events, like leaks or policy changes, have a massive impact on the market. Volatility is normal. Today's rally could be followed by tomorrow's dip. That's the nature of crypto. Stay informed. Whether you're investing or just curious, understanding the why behind market movements can help you make better decisions. This isn't just a story about money. It's about the way innovation and politics are reshaping our world. Who knows what the next big crypto moment will be? Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more stories that make complex ideas simple.